My name is Jonathan Flores. I'm a student of Electronic Design and Intelligent Systems Engineering, and this activity also belongs to the subject Intelligent Systems. In this video, I will explain the code developed for Activity 8 and dictionaries exercise in Python. The goal of this practice is to understand how dictionaries can be used to extract information, count occurrences, and organize results efficiently. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is run our code in PyCharm. And let's get started with the exercise number 2. Okay, this program counts how many messages were received on each day of the week. The script repeatedly asks for a file name and tries to open it with open inside a type set file not found error block. If the file can be opened, it shows an error and asks again. It then iterates through the file and selects only lines that start with form. Each selected line is split into tokens. The third token, that is part 2, corresponds to the weekday. Then a dictionary name, Diaz, is updated using Diaz.get plus 1 to count occurrences. And finally, it prints a dictionary, where the order is not important. Okay, so we're going to introduce mbox short.txt. As we can see, we have Saturday 1, Friday 20, and Thursday 6. Okay, now we're going to continue with the exercise number 3. This exercise builds a frequency dictionary of sender addresses. After safely opening the file, the program scans for lines starting with from. It splits each line and extracts the second token, that is part 1, which is the sender's email addresses. And then the dictionary correos increments the count for each address using that get plus 1. And at the end, it prints the resulting histogram. So we're going to introduce again mbox short.txt. And as we can see, we have the list of all the addresses with the number. Okay, let's move to the exercise number 4. Okay, and the exercise number 4 is here. Okay, the script identifies which addresses send the most messages. It first rebuilds the Correos dictionary exactly as in exercise 3. Then it performs a maximum loop over Correos that items using two tracking variables, mayor email and mayor count, both initialized to known. And for each email and count, if mayor count is known or count is greater, the program updates both trackers. At the end, if there was at least one from line, it prints the addresses in its count on one line. Otherwise, it prints that no from lines were found. So we're going to introduce again mbox short.txt. And as we can see, we have the address and the number 5, which is more messages. Okay, moving to the exercise number 5. Okay, this exercise aggregates counts by email domain instead of full addresses. For each from line, the program extracts parse 1 and verifies it contains an @ sign. It then splits at signs and keeps the domain, and using the dictionary dominios, it increments the count per domain with that get plus 1. And finally, it prints the domain histogram. So we're going to use mbox again, short.txt. And as we can see, all the domains with each number. And that's it. Thank you so much.